Hello, Avengers and Marvel fans. Welcome to Avengers Disassembled Season 2 reviews. Season 2 reviews. Yeah, welcome to my episode 15 review. Avengers Disassembled. It was good, brilliant, and awesome. Bringing back to Civil War. Well, oh no. Start of Civil War, yeah, start of Civil War, and this episode was because Ultron was coming and Avengers Disassemble. Oh yeah. Yes, it was directed by Tim Eldon and written by Jacob Sherman. Shublum. Yeah, it was start of Civil War, which splits up, which Captain America, Falcon, Black Widow, Thor, all go to the separate ways, and no, what was it for? No, Hulk, Captain America, Black Widow, and Falcon, and then it's with Hawkeye, Thor, and Iron Man. Yes. Oh yeah. Yeah, it was really good episode and fantastic. Yes, Ultron arc. Get to the Rumble. Yeah, it was really good and awesome at the same time. Oh yeah. Yeah, it was really good. Here's synopsis of the show. After Captain America leaves the Avengers following Iron Man, withholding reaction information about Ultron, Roxxon is attacked by rebuilt Super Ultron, who is being controlled by Ultron. The Avengers and Spider-Man fight Super Abduction until Captain America arrives, where Ultron takes control of the SHIELD drop team that made it up of a live model directions. Afterwards, Ultron takes control of Avengers Tower and Iron Man's Hall of Armors. Yes, he does. Oh yeah, he does. Avengers Disassemble. Yeah, when he said, when Ultron said phase 1 complete, Avengers Disassembled. Yeah. Yeah. Civil War, mate. Start of Civil War. Yeah, it was a really good episode, fantastic and awesome at the same time. Yeah, my next review will be Small Time Heroes. Oh yeah, when Ant-Man joins the Avengers. Boom. Joins Iron Man, Hawkeye, and Thor. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. It was really good and awesome at the same time. So, the verdict of this episode of Avengers Assemble, I'm gonna give it 9.2 out of 10, and a solid A because it was really good and awesome. Please, Marvel Entertainment. I'm just saying this. If you listen out Marvel Entertainment, please bring connection to Ultimate Spider-Man and Avengers Assemble to the cartoons, the connection to MCU, because it will be really good. Boost the ratings for both shows, and Hulk Agents of Smash as well. It will boost the ratings. Yeah, it will. Hell yeah, it will. So yeah. So hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this review, guys. And see you tomorrow for the originals, Gotham, World's End. Yeah, originals, Gotham, World's End, and EastEnders. So thumbs up for this review and subscribe, like, and share. So see you later, guys. Bye. Peace.